Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I will be explaining to you is how you can go to Instagram and pin reels to your profile. Now, this applies both to ordinary posts and reels, so pay attention and do the steps correctly, and you can use it in both cases. So let's get started. Now, once you open up Instagram, what you want to do to actually pin something to your profile is actually find it in your gallery, and how you do that is by actually going and clicking on your profile picture in the bottom right of your screen. And once you click that, you will be at your profile. Now, I tried this by going to reels, and I tried this by just going to the standard grid, and as far as I'm aware, this works only from the grid. However, it might work from the reels tab as well. Now, what you want to do to actually pin a reel or a post is just click on it, and you will have this standard sort of feed format. And what you want to do is find the reel you want to pin, for example this one, and click on the three dots in the top right. Now when you click on that, you have all these options, and as you can see, what you can do is well, a lot of things first of all, but in the bottom you have these two pin icons. One is to pin it to your profile, and the other is to pin it to your reels. Let's say I want to pin this to my profile, click on that, and now when I go to my grid, as you can see, this is the reel I pinned, and it'll show up everywhere. However, let's say I want to also pin it to the reels, and just click on it and it will be pinned both here and here, or rather it can only be pinned to one place. I think it's pinned here, so yeah, that should be it. However, if you want to just unpin it, what you need to do, well, now it's pinned to reels actually, or for some reason it doesn't want to. However, yeah, that's how you do it. Let's say just pin to profile, and now it's in my profile. If you want to unpin it, just click unpin, and that should be pretty much it. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you guys in another video.